In today's energy markets, let's take a look at natural gas futures as they're realizing some strong upward momentum today. We're seeing them up currently about 4.5%, right around the 5.87 level in the futures market. Intraday, we did see the futures above $6 once again. Now, that happened briefly last week and then some selling pressure, but now we're seeing renewed strength. And natural gas futures trading at basically 7.5-year highs. So when you look at some of the reasons, I think, why we're seeing this momentum shift today after some selling pressure in the previous session, couple things. Number one, the storyline over the weekend continues to be a story of challenged inventories going into what is perceived to be a very strong demand season as we move towards the winter months. Also, the dispersion between the price of natural gas in Europe relative to the price of natural gas in the United States. A lot of market participants believe that that is going to continue to pull up prices here in the United States if that spread continues to hold as wide as it currently is. So I think that's playing into psychology and some of the fundamentals in the market. Also, there appears to be some short covering continuing as we are seeing stories of potential short covering as we're seeing natural gas again pushing to 7.5-year highs. So culmination of a couple different dynamics here as to why we're seeing this renewed momentum today. Looking at the trends in place, natural gas futures, as I mentioned, really pushing the top end of the envelope here for the 7.5-year high. WTI futures up about 2.2% currently in the 77.60 level. And again, now they're challenging the recent highs as well. And I believe you have to go back 3 years, I think, if I remember correctly, as to WTI futures trading at these levels. So again, both energy spaces here today, natural gas challenging 7.5-year highs, and WTI now breaking out from the recent highs that it attained just a few months ago.